How to get 60% off Shein coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Shein coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is a legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Shein. Once you're in the website, you can just scroll down and check out the offers. 35% off, 30% off, $50 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you want to get the code for it, or else you will see the option of continue to this offer. If you find the code, just copy it and head towards the website of Shein. Likewise, if you see the option of continue to this offer, just click on this option. You'll be directed to the official website of Shein. Now you have to log into your account. Browse through the items and select the items that you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. Once you confirm your order, the offer will be automatically applied to your purchase and you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, if you find code over here, just copy it and head towards the website of Shein. Then you can log into your account, make your purchase and check out. In the checkout page, you'll see the option of coupon code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as on this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Shein. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, groupon.com. This is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Shein. So this way you can easily get 60% off Shein coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.